Water is one of those things we all take for granted. It's only when the tap is dry that we realise how inconvenient it is to lose a supply. If it happens to you, here are some things to ask yourself. Have you just moved into the property, or have you had work carried out there? If so, please check your internal and external stop tap has not been switched off. Are all your taps affected? Have you received a letter or card stating that your supply will be affected while we carry out essential maintenance? Is there any work going on in the road near your home? And is it just you who is without water? Are your neighbours also affected? If you can't find any explanation for the problem, please call us for further information. It's possible we have turned off your water because of an emergency. You can also check what's going on in your area by logging on to our website www.dŵrcymru.com.